Jupiter lens, and we will be showing you how to remove and install the lens. So to remove, you're going to grab the top part of the lens and push out. You're going to want to do the same to the other side. So you're going to grab the top part of the lens and push out with your thumb. Now the lens has been removed. In order to install the lens, you're going to put the back side of the lens to the back side of the glasses, of the frame. So you're going to push the back in, and then the top corner closest to the nose in as well. And then you're going to push in the bottom part of the lens. The snapping noise is good because the lens is flexible. Now you're going to do the same, so you're going to put the back side of the lens into the back side of the frame. Then you're going to want to put the nose corner and push it in, and then the bottom part of the glasses should pop in as well. That is how you install and remove